Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to easily enable keyboard sound on any iPhone. Please don't forget, friends, to put your likes under this video, write comments, and also subscribe, friends, to our channel. And let's get started. And if you'd like to turn on the keyboard sound on your iPhone, then I'm going to show you a couple of steps that you can easily do to enable keyboard sound. Please open the settings on your iPhone to begin with. Now you will need to scroll down a little bit. Locate the Sounds and Tactile Sensations option. After that, scroll down and find the Keyboard option. Click on that. And here you will see two options. These are Sounds and Vibration. If you have them looking like this, meaning both buttons are grayed out, then it means that neither sounds nor vibration are active on your iPhone. And you just need to press these buttons to make them green in color, which will tell you that sound is now enabled for the keyboard, just like vibration. After that, you can use the keyboard and hear the sound of the keyboard. With this quick and easy way, you can easily, friends, enable keyboard sound on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write comments, put likes under the video. See you soon.